So bullish news for the VeVe ECOMI. Soon everyone will be able to buy the VeVe NFTs with OMI token. And what this means is that if you have, for example, you have Ethereum in your wallet, you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you can go and swap your Bitcoin for OMI token, and you can just buy the VeVe NFTs with OMI token, which is really simple. And why I am bullish on this is because in 2021 crypto NFT bull run, many NFT OGs, many crypto OGs actually wanted to buy the VeVe NFTs, but the main issue was that there was no option to buy the NFTs with crypto. And why this is an issue is because for many countries, most of the EU countries, for Australia as well, it is really hard to get your crypto into your bank account because these governments doesn't trust crypto, and because most of the crypto people don't want to deal with the banks on all the questions where they got their money and all the taxes. That's why it's much more simple to buy the crypto, I mean the NFTs with crypto, without withdrawing the crypto to the bank and paying taxes every time you're withdrawing. So it doesn't make sense. So this opens a great opportunity for whales, for actual crypto billionaires. And yes, there are many billionaires that are bullish on NFTs and crypto. This basically opens doors for most of these people. And in 2021, 2022, there was no option to buy with crypto, with OMI token. And right now there is this opportunity coming soon. Soon they will roll out the beta testing. So most likely the OGs on VeVe, the most active users, will be able to test this feature. And many people already saw that OMI token went I think 50% up after these news came out. But this obviously was a short-term pump because we are not in the crypto bull run, the proper bull run. The crypto of the Bitcoin is going sideways, so everything else is going sideways as well. So I am not going crazy over this feature right now. We still have to wait until they roll out the beta version. But one more thing I want to say is that in 2021, I remember many NFT whales wanted to buy the first Marvel comics. They wanted to buy the Batman, the FA Superman, because everyone understands that first Batman on a blockchain is really valuable. That's why I expect in 2025 all the NFTs, all the FAs, the Marvel FAs, the DC FAs go 50x, 100x. I expect OMI token to go at least 30x from these prices. If everything is bullish and we actually experience another NFT euphoria, everything could go even 100x. Even OMI token could go 100x higher. And I understand many people are not happy with everything that ECOMI has done for the past 2 years. But as a business, I understand that there is no reason for them to roll out any updates, to do any marketing, or to even do any exchanges, any new exchanges for OMI token, because none of these updates and news will get any significant pumps in OMI token. That's why I think they are waiting for the actual crypto bull run euphoria. I think the crypto bull run will be, the euphoria will start in 2025, because it is always the 4-year cycle. We are still in 2024. Only in late 2024 there will be a significant jump in Bitcoin and in the rest of the altcoin market. That's why I understand the ECOMI team. They are most likely waiting for the actual euphoria. So when they drop a new updates and exchanges in this euphoria time, the crypto bull run, every time they will post these news, the price will go up by 5x, 10x, even 20x. That's why I understand that they don't roll out any new updates, any significant exchanges, is because right now it won't matter. NFTs are dead. It is the lowest point, and they can only make a short-term pumps, which is not optimal. And I am personally really bullish on ECOMI, and I know most of the people right now are bearish, but I am bullish when everything is going sideways and everything is boring. That's the smartest time for you to actually buying the crypto. And when the euphoria, the bull run starts, you have to think about selling. You have to be bearish on crypto because everyone else is pumping the prices. That's why my advice is stay patient. Keep your OMI token, keep your VeVe NFTs, don't sell right now because this is the all-time low in prices. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, subscribe, press that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha. And thanks for watching.